Let me explain how this game actually works. First, core mechanics. Player moves with WASD and auto-shoots toward your mouse cursor. Every bullet deals 1 damage. Enemies have different types. Normal red ones have 3 HP and medium speed. Fast orange ones have 2 HP but move 40% quicker. Blue tanks have 5 HP but are slow. Each enemy has different drop chances. Tanks drop items 50% of the time. When enemies die, they spawn pickups. Hearts restore 1 HP but can't go over your maximum of 5. Lightning bolts make you shoot 20% faster for 5 seconds. They all pulse and disappear after 5 seconds if not collected. Health bars show green fill over red. When hit, you flash red and white. Enemies shrink and fade out on death. Knockback pushes enemies back 1 tile when hit. Now the mini-boss appears every 60 seconds. It has 30 HP, moves slowly, and deals 2 damage on hit. Every 15 seconds, it spawns 5 fast enemies in a circle around it. 1 second before spawn, you get a red warning flash across screen. When killed, you get 10 points and it drops 3 items. Game scales difficulty too. Every 10 points, enemies get faster and spawn more frequently. There's an upgrade menu every 5 points where you choose between fire rate, player speed, or bullet speed boosts. The craziest part, this entire game runs in a single HTML file, written in Notepad, with 0 engines or libraries. Just pure JavaScript, frame by frame. No autocomplete, no game engines. Just me and 15 minutes of coding every day.